So he is very close client of me, and he's coming from North India just to get treatment from Oxyplus. The connect between him and Oxyplus is quite deep. It's because he trusted and he saw the reviews and he saw the testimonials, and he just walked in without any queries. And how was the experience with Oxyplus, Akash?
It's going pretty well for the time being. I mean, it took me a while to find the root cause. I think till now I'm going through the IV sessions, and obviously some of the medicines that supplements that the doctor suggested, it's working well for me. I'm just hoping that in the long run I'm just fully healed, and I'm very optimistic for that.
You are coming to Chennai only to meet me, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's a major concern actually.
Yeah.
ஏன் இந்த வீடியோ நாங்கள் மெயினாக பண்ணுறோம்னா ஹெல்த்துக்காக இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்து அங்கேருந்து ட்ராவல் பண்ணி சென்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்காக மட்டுமே அவர் வந்திருக்காரு. ஸோ ஐம் தேங்க்ஃபுல் ஃபார் தட் அண்ட் தட் ஹோப் ஃபார் த ட்ரஸ்ட் வி கேவ் தி பெஸ்ட் ரிசல்ட்ஸ். அண்ட் ஈவன் ஆஃப்டர் 2 days itself you said like doctor I got a good reflex, good results. So can you share the top 3 results after taking treatment with Oxyplus? What is the top 3 results?
Top 3 results that I can think of. Obviously, I feel I was struggling with gut discomfort, so I'm feeling some sort of calmness afterwards, and then I think that is what I can sum it to. That calmness was very important.
That is
calm. Yeah, I'm just hoping that even without the supplements, in the long run, I'll be comfortable. I'm just optimistic about it. So yeah, that is
very good, very good. And about Oxyplus in one word, what do you suggest?
I think that's what I've mentioned in my conversation, optimism. So,
optimism. Okay,
yeah,
superb, Akash. That trust and optimism.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah. And so hope you felt everything is comfortable at this place.
Yeah.
I'm a kind of doctor. I'm not worried about the patients. I'm not worried about the clients. The moment I see Akash, no, I'll jump and run away because he'll ask a lot of questions.
Yeah.
It is a wonderful.
I think that is something I have to give it to her as well, because she has been very patient in terms of listening to my questions and then answering it for me. So yeah, that makes me a lot comfort as well. So yeah, it's easy for me to just shoot my questions and expecting an answer. That is
because the moment I answer, the moment I reply for your queries, then only you'll come to know how it is working.
Yeah.
So without that, it will never work. So it's about the answers, it's about the trust, it's about the results. It's a combined approach.
Yeah.
And any other thing you wanted to convey?
I think it's just that you need to have patience as well, like for the results to actually eventually for you to be in a position that you feel the comfort. I think that's something I'm carrying on right now, because I also want to be in a stage where I'm like fully recovered and just again using the same optimistic about it.
Yes.
So yeah.
So those who face the gut problem, it is not like a magic pill we can do. I think so. It's not a magic pill in one day. It takes time. You have to trust the process.
And then very importantly, you have to be disciplined about it as well, not just.
Very good. That's quite very important, because whatever I conveyed to him is following meticulously, and every dosage of the medicines and everything. Even after every medicine, he will update. Doctor, I feel much better. I feel very calm. My gut is very calm, like he conveyed. So keeping the gut calm is very important for many things, even for the hormones, even for the many other things. So hope this video helps for someone who is suffering from the gut health. And thank you so much. Thank you.
Sure.